If you're exhausted, you gain weight no matter what you do, and your mood swings are like a roller coaster, yet doctors keep telling you it's just normal aging, you're not imagining it. It's not just hormones, and it's not just in your head. You know, the truth is there are 3 root causes almost no one talks about that are silently sabotaging your energy, mood, and metabolism. And once you understand them, you can finally start reclaiming your body and your life. So, maybe you've tried HRT or bioidentical hormones thinking, oh, they'd finally give you that relief. And maybe they did help a little at first, but then the fatigue, brain fog, weight gain, hot flashes, and mood swings, they just keep coming back. That's because even natural hormone therapy doesn't fix the underlying problem. It only masks the symptoms. Your body still isn't getting what it truly needs to restore balance at a cellular level. Today, I want to share the 3 overlooked root causes of hormonal imbalance that many women never discover. So these are the hidden factors that prevent your body from regulating hormones naturally, and understanding them is really the first step towards real lasting relief. So the first hidden root cause is chronic stress. When your body is under constant stress, it produces excess cortisol. This is the hormone that controls your fight or flight response, and high cortisol throws off estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone balance, leaving you exhausted, moody, and often gaining weight around your midsection. So you might notice that no matter how much sleep you get, you still feel drained. That's because your body is running on high alert. So some short walks, deep breathing exercises, and some simple mindfulness practices, they aren't just feel-good activities, they actually can help bring the cortisol levels back into balance and give your hormones a chance to reset. The second overlooked cause is nutrient deficiencies and blood sugar instability. Even if you eat what you think is healthy, missing essential vitamins and minerals like magnesium, B vitamins, vitamin D, and iodine, they can make hormonal imbalance worse. On top of that, blood sugar swings from skipped meals or processed food triggers insulin spikes. So these disrupt the delicate hormone signals your body relies on. This is why so many women feel tired, they crave sugar, and they struggle with that stubborn weight gain, even when they're doing everything right. So eating balanced meals with protein, healthy fats, and fiber, and maintaining consistent blood sugar levels can make a huge difference for your hormones. The third often missed root cause is your body's cellular health and detox pathways. So your liver, your gut, and your mitochondria all play a huge role in regulating hormones. If these systems aren't functioning optimally, your body can't process and balance hormone naturally, no matter what medications or supplements you take. So the toxins from the environment, chronic inflammation, and poor digestion can all block your body's natural ability to detoxify and heal. So supporting your gut, liver, and cellular function isn't just optional, it's really foundational. So this can include probiotics, proper hydration, nutrient-dense foods, and targeted support for liver detoxification and mitochondrial function. So many women turn to HRT or bioidentical hormones hoping for relief, and they may feel temporary improvements, but these approaches are really like putting a bandage on a deep wound, because they can reduce the hot flashes or the mood swings, but they don't really teach your body how to heal itself. So to restore lasting energy, mood, and hormone balance, you need to address the root causes at the cellular and the foundational level. That's why a truly effective approach focuses first on supporting your body's natural systems, reducing stress, balancing blood sugar, replenishing those nutrients, and restoring cellular and detoxification and mitochondrial function. Only after these foundations are in place can your body really begin to regulate hormones naturally. So, you don't have to wait years for results. Here are a few practical steps that you can start immediately. 1, prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours, more is better, per night on a consistent schedule. Manage that stress. Incorporate 5-minute breathing exercises, short walks, or journaling breaks throughout the day. Balance your nutrition. Include protein, healthy fats, and fiber at every meal. reduce sugar and processed foods, and support the cellular health. So you can do that by hydrating well with water, adding probiotic foods, and considering gentle liver and mitochondrial support. So these small changes, combined with addressing the hidden root causes, can give your body the environment it needs to restore hormone balance naturally. So you're not failing, your body is speaking, and it's asking for support. By understanding these 3 hidden root causes and taking steps to support your body at the cellular level, you can finally start to reclaim your energy, your balance, your mood, and manage your weight, and feel like $1,000,000 again. So if you're ready to take the next step, you can schedule a free 15-minute complimentary consultation to start your personalized roadmap to health. And your hormones do not have to control your life. You can take control and feel like yourself again.